In this video we will explore the use of extra framing to enable us to use part offload or extension tables more effectively within ZebraCut. So our goal here is to ensure that the job is moved fully onto the offload table, the extension table, at the end of a job. To do that within ZebraCut, we will go to the job configuration menu and we will add a frame at job end configuration. Once that's added, we can turn on frame at job end, and that will give us one extra frame at the end of the job to move the material onto the extension table, ready for operators to offload it. If we need to move even further than that, we can add an extra margin, which might be, for example, the distance between the end of the offload and the start of the cuttable area, so that there's a margin of safety between the operators and the actual cutting area of the machine. So we might, for example, add an extra 500mm to ensure the safety of our operators. Once this has been added, I would recommend that you save this configuration and then set it as default so that it is used in all future jobs. Once that's done, you are free to continue cutting as you would normally, and you will see that there is an extra frame here at the end of the job so that the parts will be moved onto the extension table ready for offload by the operators. Thank you very much.